Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh, and not Babe, because Babe isn't here today. So today, we're gonna be making 2-ingredient, slow cooker, crock pot, salsa chicken. And honestly, I wasn't gonna make this video. I feel like this is a very basic recipe. I learned it a number of years back, even before I started my weight loss journey. I learned this recipe a number of years back, so I was just gonna make it real fast. Just got home from a 12-hour shift at work, hopped in the shower, and while I was in the shower, I was thinking, you know what? I feel like maybe I do need to make a quick video that I could offer somebody some value in this recipe. Maybe you are struggling to lose some weight, or maybe you are trying to get healthy, maybe you are looking for some recipe ideas that you can make at home that are simple, easy if you don't have any cooking skills. That's me. I have very little cooking skills. I was the guy who ate out 3 meals a day all the time. I never had any food in my house. After my divorce, I lived the bachelor lifestyle, just going out to restaurants, going out to fast food and different things like that. It wasn't until I met Babe that we started doing a lot of home cooking, and I realized that even some of the most, what I thought were complex recipes, really weren't. That I could dissect them, I could learn from YouTube, I could learn from other creators, and I could put my skills that I learned online to the test. And even if I screwed up, I'm still home cooking, I'm still cooking for myself, I'm not using preservatives and all that stuff. So I hope that this video offers you some value. Now, if you've watched a number of our videos, you know that we have on our channel over, 70 videos, something like that. But you also know that some of our meals that we prepare are on the healthier side and some are not on the healthier side. The point being is that Babe is only with me 50% of the month. 50% of the month, she spends it 550 miles away with her children. When she doesn't have her children, she comes down. So she's living a double life. So a big round of applause for her. So when Babe is gone and she's up north and I'm down here, I'm tempted to just grab a quick fast food meal. I'm tempted to go out to dinner. I'm tempted to do something like that. But I remember why I started my weight loss journey and why I'm trying to get healthier. I'm trying to live a long life so I could be around for my kid and for Babe, for my family and everything like that. So tonight I wanted to make this 2-ingredient crock pot salsa chicken, and literally it cost me less than $10 to make this, and when it's all said and done, I'm gonna have a couple different meals. I'm gonna have this for a couple days worth of meals that's gonna prevent me from eating out. It's really, really low calorie. Even Weight Watchers, diet plans, they all endorse this recipe. So it's tasty, it's easy, it's cheap. So as we say in our other videos, here we go! My ingredients. I got these salsas, 2 for $5, okay? There's a medium, a hot, like I said, 3 pounds basically. I paid $7.58. I had an additional coupon that gave me $2.50 off. $5 for the chicken, $5 for the salsa, $10 recipe. This is gonna provide me probably 4 different meals. So the key to this recipe really is using a good salsa. Salsa is going to provide the flavor for the whole base of it. And remember that when you cook down chicken, especially in a crock pot, it's going to give you a lot of extra juices. So like me, I like a medium salsa. So I bought 1 medium and I bought 1 hot. And by the time the chicken cooks down, it's going to bring it down to a medium. If you like a mild salsa, make sure you buy a medium salsa, if you get what I'm saying. The salsa and the chicken, the juices, the crock pot, it's going to do all the work. So we broke out our crock pot. Let's fill it up. A little baby bit more of some sea salt, a little bit baby more cracked ground pepper. It's about 7:30 at night. I'm gonna put it on warm because I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna wake up at the butt crack of dawn, and we'll be ready to party. So if you're gonna cook it on high, it's gonna be about a 4-hour cook. If you're gonna cook it on low, I think it's about a 6-hour cook. If you're gonna cook the crock pot on warm, it's about an 8-hour cook. So obviously you keep that in mind when you're cooking. All right, so that's it. That's how you prep it. That's how you turn it on the crock pot, and we're ready to go. It's been a long day. I'm gonna head up to bed. This is gonna be like an 8 to 10 hour cook. Obviously it's on warm, the lowest setting. And you could bump it up if you are in more of a rush, but I'm letting it go overnight. And then I'm gonna wake up in the morning, bright and early. I'm gonna shred up this chicken. I'm gonna throw it in a to-go container. I'm gonna bring it off to work, and my meal prep is done. That really prevented me from going out and, you know, eating a bunch of bad stuff and all that. So if you like this video, a little more serious approach, I know me and Babe goof off, and that's kind of our channel, our little quirky personalities, but if you like a more serious approach, leave a comment below, let me know what you think. And if you found any value in this video, feel free to share it across your social media. Just click the link, copy, and do it. This is a really easy, cheap, good recipe that will keep you on your diet plan. So anyways, I'm headed to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's not time to wait. All right, so it's 5 a.m. We're up, we're showered, we're shaved, and we're gonna check on the crock pot. It's been cooking since about 7:30, 8 p.m. on warm, and we're gonna shred up the chicken. I have a different meal prep option today that Babe made me, but this will be for tonight's dinner and tomorrow. And when I eat it, I'm gonna just sprinkle some of this on top of it. Little Mexican 2 cheese, pepper jack, and cheddar. And that's it. I'm not gonna even eat it with tortillas or anything like that. I didn't add any extra jalapenos or anything like that. We're gonna have for lunch today, and when I come home tonight, that's what we're gonna have for dinner. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that recipe is something that you guys can make at home. It's really quick and easy, simple little recipe. Anyways, see you guys later.